Exams are coming and the pressure is real. The anxiety, the sleepless nights can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we've got your back. Are you lost in a sea of books and notes, not knowing where to start or how to proceed? Forget cramming and guessing. This is your ultimate solution. Imagine studying with a clear plan, knowing exactly what to focus on, and feeling confident about your preparation. Introducing the test series for homeopathy students from first year to final year, a game changer. This isn't just another study tool, it's a comprehensive system designed to help you excel. Here's why you need it. With our test series, you'll get access to a variety of resources, mock exams tailored to real patterns, remedy-specific quizzes to sharpen your focus, instant results to track your progress. Your success is just one click away. Don't wait, join the test series now.